Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Maypen to Mandeville. So we are now on the Maypen bypass and we are going through the area known as Tollgate. So after Tollgate we'll drive through Clarendon Park and then through Porus and then into Mandeville. So this is Tollgate. Tollgate is in Clarendon. Small community, mostly residential homes, but on the main road we have like bars, restaurants, as you can see, and then to the left and to the right you have a lot of residential homes. Small community. And as we go further down we'll go into the Clarendon Park area. This is a very busy road because it's the main road that connects you on the south coast. A highway is being built as an alternative route, but that highway between Maypen and Mandeville is not open yet. It should open in March next year, so naturally you'll have less traffic on this road. But the highway is going to be a toll road, so that means you have to pay a toll to use it. So although you're going to have some persons using the highway, the fact that it's a toll road, you're still going to have some traffic on this road. There you can see a jerk bar and jerk restaurant over there and a bar. So Clarendon is one of the more populated parishes in Jamaica. The capital is Maypen, which is a very large town. So when you're driving from Kingston to Mandeville, you go through Kingston, then St. Catherine, then Clarendon, then Manchester. So this is the south coast of Jamaica. Alright, so we're now going into the Clarendon Park area now. two very popular locations in Clarendon Park. And these are actually two other more popular locations in Clarendon. You have Murray's Jerk Center, that's a restaurant where you can get some very nice food. And you have the Juicy Patties head office. So this is the Murray's Jerk Center on the right. So coming up on the left now is the Juicy Patties head office. And then they have a retail outlet right out here as well. Okay, so there's a sign, thank you for visiting Clarendon Park. So we're now driving out of Clarendon Park. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.